Hello, everyone, and welcome to the session. Sorry for slight delay. This usually happens, yeah. The technical glitch usually will be there. So, my name is Bharani Kumar, and I'm CEO of 360DigiTMG, and I'm one of the directors on Innodatatics. We will now get into the actual discussion. Do this. Sorry about this. Okay, this is me, Bharani Kumar Depuru. I can just go there. And, this is me. And I have 18 plus years of experience. I work with companies such as HSBC, ITC Infotech, Infosys, and Deloitte. Deloitte was the last company with which I was employed as an employee. Okay. And then we formed two companies. One is called as Innodatatics, and I'm a director on that company. We do advanced analytics projects in the space of AI. Let me show you a few of those projects. I've bookmarked these. For example, we do projects in the space of automobile, right? And Volvo is one of our customers. We are doing a project for them wherein this is a clamping station, and if clampings go wrong, it will be negatively impacting the cost of poor quality. So to ensure that the clampings are proper and to ensure that if inappropriate clampings or incorrect sequence is followed, then an alarm is raised. To ensure that this solution is built, we have proceeded further with AI. And there are a few other projects also. Let me give you example of yet another project, which is for this particular client, which is into steel rods cutting and bending in construction. So we are in the space of construction as well. Rather than manually counting the number of steel rods of 8 mm, 10 mm, and 12 mm, we have built a solution which will automatically count the number of steel rods. There are a lot of such examples that I can give you. Just now, a few hours back, we went live with respect to life sciences healthcare project in the space of pharma. We have built a forecasting model for Rela Hospitals. Dr. Ilan, who is also CEO of Rela Hospitals, joined me, and we had a conversation for roughly 15 minutes on the project that we have completed, and it's already deployed, okay, at the location. So that is where we stand. And there is also one additional thing which I should talk about at this juncture, which is about the success stories. Our students who got trained through us and worked on the real world projects got jobs in various companies such as Alshaya Group. Alshaya, I mean, if you want to take franchise of big brands such as Starbucks, H&M, Mothercare, etc., especially in Europe and Middle East, you have to go through Alshaya only. She's working in Dubai, Rachna. We have a people working in the big four companies, such as Deloitte, Ernst & Young, PricewaterhouseCoopers, KPMG, etc. We have a people working with Amazon. We have a people working with Meta also, Walmart, etc. So Deloitte, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Genpact, UL Hospitals is in Ireland, Mercedes-Benz Research and Development. Cuman is a Singapore-based company, Capgemini, TCS, HCL. We have a people working in Deutsche Bank as AVP, and then Deloitte. Then yet another person is working in Mercedes-Benz R&D, Cognizant, so on and so forth, friends, Wipro and all that. So when you find time, you can go through this. and understand on how our students are getting jobs. Back to our discussion here. Of course, you can always follow me because 30,000 are the connections which LinkedIn allows. And I've already exhausted those connections. So you might want to follow, right? And one another thing is, since you're already on YouTube, all you need to do is just click on subscribe and select the notification icon so that whenever such sessions happen, whenever success story sessions happen, you are notified about the same. Congratulations, friends, first of all, for choosing to upskill in this field of data analytics and data science. However, when we interact with people, we figured out that a lot of people are trained and they don't have a job yet. This is one of the biggest problems which people are facing. So how do you counter that? When we ask questions on model deployment, when we ask questions on crisp MLQ, people are like, I don't know what this is. I don't know the methodology which has to be followed in handling data science and data analytics related projects. So here we bring you free internship program, which is absolutely free throughout. We don't charge anything during or after the internship, even before, we don't charge. And this particular free internship will have two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. And it's a 30-day program. As part of phase 1, it is for 20 days, friends. Every day, we will give you learning videos. In the morning at 6 a.m. IST, it'll be Python programming. I know you all are already trained. And this session is specifically for those people who are already trained and who didn't get a job. Okay. So this is not for people. Let me put it somewhere here. This is for people who are already trained on data science. However, but didn't get a job. This is for you guys, okay? This is not something which people can do just for fun, right? Because we expect some level of understanding. And in the afternoon, there'll be one learning video which will post, which will be related to data science project management methodology. And sorry about that. Okay. In the evening at 6 p.m., we are going to post a video on model deployment. And these 3 videos will be on our YouTube channel. That is yet another reason why I'm requesting you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And there will be LinkedIn questions which will be posted. And this is how the questions would be. Let me take you guys to our page and then let you understand further. We keep posting, about AutoML and a lot of advanced things as part of our newsletter also. And come on. A lot of interesting studies for you on ChatGPT, generative AI, etc. You'll get to see people who got placed through us. You'll learn more about OpenAI, ChatGPT, etc. And this is how the questions will be, okay? And all you need to do is go to the comment section and write your answers. For that, you need to follow our LinkedIn page. Only when you follow our LinkedIn page, you'd be, seeing these notifications. Otherwise, you'll not be able to see the notifications, friends. Here, the notifications put up here. Okay, for you. If you are following a page, only then, right, you would get to see the notification. So that's yet another thing. And back to our discussion. This is phase one. People who successfully complete phase one will move to phase two. Phase two will be for 10 days. We are going to assign an MLOps expert who has rich experience working on real world projects, and they are going to guide you throughout the project. And our focus will be only on model deployment. Okay. And you're going to have daily stand-up meeting for 15 minutes. It'll be from Monday to Friday. And every day we'll be discussing about what did you do yesterday, what will you do today, and what are the risks or challenges that you have encountered. Okay. We shall discuss when we reach this phase in further detail. Yeah. And one more very important thing which I need to tell you is that you'll anyways get a certificate after successful internship journey. We shall move you to mock interviews phase, resume building phase, and job assistance phase. Okay, we would do this. However, for this, you need to successfully complete the internship. And all the very best. I'm certain that you will be able to, do justice. And this is how you'll be getting the internship completion certificate. Okay. Now, do we have any questions? For freshers, we have a different program which will happen on Friday. You can join that. If you have no knowledge about data science, then this is not the internship. This is for only those people who already got trained on data science and who didn't get a job. Why did they not get a job? Because they are lacking certain real world experience. Okay, certain aspects of real world is something that they're lacking. For them, specifically, this program is devised. For beginners, students, freshers, there is yet another program which will happen on Friday at 7 p.m. You can join that. Okay, there'll be a link which our team will post on the YouTube channel. You need to click on that to be part of this internship program. You just need to join that group. There are no for this internship, there are prerequisites, right? You should already be trained on data science. That is what I've said. Which one? Okay. Phase one will be learning videos. Phase two will be real time. Do we have any further questions, please? These are a few questions which people are posting on YouTube, and these are the responses. When and how to start the internship. There'll be a link. You just need to join that link. Right from tomorrow onwards, this program will start. You can access it later, absolutely. These are all phase one learning phase. You can do it at your own pace. No worries. But in 20 days, you have to complete. And you have to daily answer the questions on LinkedIn for us to understand that you are, actually watching the videos. Already it is given, right? Topics which will be covered. This is not a this is not a training program. This is an internship program, my dear friends. This is not a training program. This is an internship program. Okay. Already I have given you the details on what would be discussed or what you're going to learn and where you are supposed to provide answers. By looking at the comments that you have provided, in comments, you have to give answers to the questions, right? That's Using that, we are going to track whether you completed phase one or not. No. So you join on Friday, my dear friend, if you want an internship letter that you're doing an internship here and all that. We are not doing that, by the way. We are not, will not be in a position to give you that. I mean, this is a new phase, my dear friend. This is a new phase. Every week we are starting new projects, okay? New internships. Every week we are starting new internship. You join midway and ask a question on daily videos are posting. We did not even post. Tomorrow, this new batch is going to start. Maybe you are part of some other batch. Check whether you completed 20 days or not. Okay. If 20 days are completed, then project phase will start. Today at 7:30, there is another thing which is happening. You can be part of that if you want, if you completed 20 days. There is no offer letter, will not be sharing any offer letter, okay, of this internship. You will not have any offer letter, so sorry for that. This is for those people who want to get a job in the field of data science. This is for those people who are already trained on data science. Okay, this is not for just getting one internship letter, please. If you are serious, if you're already trained but didn't get a job, if you really need help, we are here to help you. Yeah. Under each and every post, you are supposed to provide answers to the questions. Any other questions? One more minute and we'll wind it up. Yes, you need to answer the questions under the LinkedIn post itself. Please read this. Please read this. Okay. Any other questions? All right then. Thank you all so much and all the best. Bye.